Well, at least you got your bike in the upright position.
I know it's where the fuck is KB using it?
Gentlemen, to the medicine cabinet.